everyone, and you are watching Caterpillar Network. In today's video, we are going to make a miniature painting, a plant painting. So I'm going to use a piece of cardboard, scissor, paintbrush, black acrylic paint, um, recycled computer paper, and glue. So I'm gonna start by cutting the cardboard, and after that I'm gonna cover it with computer paper. And we're gonna glue the edges. And after that we're gonna paint it with using of black acrylic paint. Just careful when it's through. I'm gonna suggest you use the pointed paintbrush. And for the roots here. And you can start filling all the leaves. And voila, you're done. Okay, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and you can follow us on Instagram at Caterpillar Network, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. We will see you guys to our next video. Bye!